Hello and a happy new year to everyone. My name is Susie. For those of you just joined in, I do makeup and personal style videos here on YouTube. If you reach the end of this video and you really love the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Guys, 2024 na and Happy New Year pala sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much at nandito pa rin kayo kasama kong nanunood dito sa aking YouTube channel nung December. Todo makeup tayo. Todo paganda, todo outfit, todo lahat. Bakit? Ang daming parties, ang daming get-togethers at may mga weddings pa. Pero guys, na-enjoy ko yon. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung paglagay ng red lipstick, super Hollywood style makeup. Absolutely adored and loved last December. So now, I will share with you my minimal daily makeup look. Yes guys, minimal naman muna tayo ngayon para hindi naman all out paganda ang gagawin natin. Itong makeup look na to, ito yung ginagamit ko every time susunduin ko yung daughter ko. Ito yung ginagamit ko kapag pupunta lang ako sa grocery, pag pupunta ako sa shop namin. Ito yung lagi kong suot. Usually, I'm not the type who likes to put a lot of makeup if I'm going to our shop or if I have to go pick up my daughter kasi laging nasa araw yun. So, instead of todo sa daming makeup, I put minimal and I put sun protection. So, if you want to see me transform from this to this, please stay tuned and watch this video. So, naglagay na ako ng moisturizer and toner. And this time, we are going to skip the primer. Minsan naglalagay ako, minsan hindi. But what I would put really after moisturizer is my sunblock. This is actually a new one. I used to wear yung Bello tinted sunscreen. However, when this came around, I really found that this has really nice finish on the skin. And also, wala siyang masyadong white cast. Kaya, na-enjoy ko siya. Ayun lang ang concern ko sa Bello tinted sunscreen. There are times na talagang todo yung white cast niya. So, kahit na blend ko siya ng todo sa face ko, meron pa ring lumalabas na white cast. So, every time I take pictures, super white cast yung face ko. Nung na-recommend ito ng friend ko, sobra akong natuwa. Kasi buti nagpabili ako. Ang ganda niya sa skin. Tapos yung finish niya, powdery. So, let me just show you. It's a stick. And it's from Nature Republic. And it has SPF 50. Oh, by the way, the scent or the finish of this is the fresh powdery, which is, I thought, wow, ang galing. Ganda nito. Hinanap ko agad sa Shopee kasi my friend bought this sa Japan. So, yan lang siya. But this one, ito lang. Ang ganda na ng finish niya sa skin. Tapos, pag nilagyan ko pa ng concealer, sobrang mattifying yung effect pagkatapos. So, yun ang isusunod natin. Maglalagay tayo ngayon ng concealer. So, I got the Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 kasi I realized the one that I've been using is super light. Although okay lang kasi medyo brightening lang yung effect niya. Ito kasi parang wala. Kaya gustong-gusto ko rin siya. This is like the coverage that I do on a daily basis kapag gusto ko lang ng konting coverage sa face ko. Alright, and with a beauty blender, we'll just blend everything. So if you notice, the concealer doesn't really cover as much texture or redness of my skin. Ang gusto ko dito sa Maybelline Fit Me concealer na to is just, it is super light on the skin. And naglalast pa siya. Kaya I really, really love it. Maglagay pa tayo ng kaunti. So what I really like about this is just the fact that if I get a tinted sunscreen na merong, yung parang nagsiskin adapt, turns out too white sometimes. So at least ito, the good thing about this is that, kumbaga nabili ko na siya for my skin tone. So tama na yung kulay niya. So dapat hindi na ako magka-white cast talaga dito. Alright, we're gonna make that set lang for a little bit. Okay, our next step is eyebrows. Simple lang. So, I've mentioned in my past video the droopiness of my eyebrows talaga and the sparseness of my hairs in my eyebrows. Talagang, I can't really do much about it. I can only try to shape it, to groom it, to at least add something, but it's not turning out so perfect. And Do you feel my frustration? But let me just, at least for today, make my eyebrows really go on fleek. So I will apply a little bit of the BYS styler para lang umakyat and mas magmukhang neat yung aking makeup look today kahit na minimal lang siya. So para lang medyo pataas kasi I really like the wispy eyebrows. Yun yung ginagawa ko na lang to compensate kasi talaga it's just not turning out to be that way. And then saka ko lalagyan nitong e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. So I just try to, as much as possible, make it look natural. I don't shape it anymore. I try my best. Hindi talaga siya lumalabas na sobrang perfect. Kaya pag ganyan na lang. And then again, if you overdo your brows, just use a spoolie para magmukha pa rin siyang natural, hindi todo shade. You know what they say, your eyebrows are not identical. They're sisters, but they're not twins. Where did I hear that? Yeah, from Nikki LaRose. That's where I heard it. And it makes so much sense. Kasi minsan pinipili talaga natin maging perfect sila. Hindi talaga sila perfect. Okay, next will be my mascara. And I will be using, once again, my favorite 020 eyelash curler. You know, I can't say that this already replaced my Shuyumura eyelash curler kasi kahit na luma na yon, ang galing pa rin nun eh. Ito lang, I'm giving it a try na kasi merong comb that ensures that it's gonna go up talaga. Which I hope talagang nagagawa niya. Nagagawa naman niya, ayan, kahit papano. And since it's like a day look, I will be using my Rain Hey Curls mascara. This is like a brown mascara which I love to wear a lot because it's not like super harsh on the eyes. I really like the shade brown in my face because it makes my features look soft. There. Alright, and now we are gonna do blush. And this time, I have something new. Guys, December, Bilena had a buy one, take one. And I really wanted the Toast of New York Pillow Pop. This is like one of the blushes on my list na gusto kong makuha. And buti na lang, buy one, take one. Nakapagregalo pa ako ng mga ganito. Let me just unbox it for you. At least meron tayong konting unboxing ngayon. Ano? Ayan ang itsura niya. And then, guys, 275 pesos. Then here is ganda, diba? Again, this is the Bilena Pillow Pop Liquid Blush in Toast of New York. And it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. I also saw nung December the cold girl makeup look. Yung pag-apply natin ng blush this time, gagawin ko yon, yung cold girl makeup look. Well, hindi kasi tayo cold sa Philippines eh. Kaya hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin yung makeup look na yun, pero gawin natin ngayon. So, let me just use my brush. See how nice this is? Here in the other side. Ito yung type of blush na kahit na magkamali ka, it will spread easily. Kaya nakakatuwa siyang gamitin. Very easy to use. And by the way, we are not going to contour because that's the step na during the day okay nang hindi ko gawin. So ito na lang. And then lalagay tayo ng konti dito. Weird, no? Hindi tayo nilalamig kaya may mga pula tayo dyan. Pero naiinitan yung face natin. So nagbo-blush tayo naturally. A little bit on my nose. So, yung placement, tandaan nyo lang, yung placement ng cold girl makeup look, pareho ng tropical girl makeup look. Dapat pala gumawa tayo nun, 'di ba? Tayong mga Pinay beauty, wow. Tayong mga Pinay beauty vloggers, okay? Papanindigan ko na, guys. Pasensya na kayo, ha? Yung tita nyo excited lang sa mga ganito. Alright? And then, meron pang placement na ginawa. Saan pa ba yun? Dito. Okay. You know what? I also realized that the Pillow Pop is actually a multi-use blush. So, let me just apply a little bit here. Konti lang hindi ko tutudoin to. And also here. This is like to just add color to my eyes, to my lids. Pwede rin daw sa lips to eh. But, well, sige, let's try today ha. Let's try today. Kasi mukha naman siyang spreadable. Oh wow, I love it. So, medyo nakulangan ako dito. Lagyan natin ng kaunti pa. See? Yun yung kagandahan nito eh. Ang dali niyang i-blend. Kaya hindi ka magkakaproblema kapag napadami ka. Now, this is a little bit dressed up, minimal makeup. But it makes your eyes look like there's happening to it, right? And now we're gonna try a little bit of this on the lips. Pwede to just color it up. If you're going for like a Korean look, okay to. But gusto ko ng moisture on my lips. Kaya papatungan ko na lang. Pero look, oh, ang ganda. Or medyo dry siya. Dry na siya for me. The next step is lips. So I will be using today three products actually. I already applied a little bit of the Pillow Pop here, but it's not for me. Hindi talaga pang lips for me yung Pillow Pop. So I will be applying my Vaseline Lip Care Lip Balm, and then I will be applying two products, also the Beauty Glazed Lip Liner in Mocha Brown and my Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in Mink. So first, lalagyan ko lang ng konting moisture kasi natanggal nung Pillow Pop. Maybe for others, it will work out as a lipstick, but for me, it's only for a blush, and sa lids pwede rin pala. And now, the lip liner. Lip liner in Mocha Brown ngayon, guys. So, this is like my new favorite thing to do. I really like to overline kasi it makes my lips look fuller. I use my old Urban Decay brushes to brush on the lips. I really love this Beauty Glazed. Nako, ilang video na yatang gamit ko to. Galing nila. Ang ganda ng formulation ng lip liner na yan. Super good. And now, the Mink lipstick by Revlon. And then normally, I would put something on top just so it adds more moisture. And this is the NARS lip gloss in Orgasm. It looks like a really nice pinkish brown lip. Right? Yeah, this is daily. Because during the day, hindi ako masyado nag-worry eh. Mas iniisip ko yung moisture than it coming off. Kasi I can always apply all the time pag wala na. So, gusto ko laging may moisture yung lips ko. Para comfy siya during the day. So, the next step is actually, it's optional for me. Like, sometimes I would apply, sometimes hindi ako maglalagay. But for the sake today, para lang masabing kasama siya dun sa routine, I will apply my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 220 here. Dito lang sa chin. On the nose. Ang gusto ko naman sa powder na to, sobrang para siyang, sa totoo lang, parang wala kang nilagay. Kasi ang light niya, tapos eventually kapag nag-mattify na, kapag nag-blend na lahat yung makeup, ang ganda niya talaga sa skin. It makes you look really flawless. Kaya, love na love ko to. So this is the final look. I have been pleased with this look for quite some time now. I really, really love this minimal makeup that medyo na nagawa ko na in the last year. Dati kasi, it's either walang makeup or maraming makeup. So ngayon, at least, meron na akong in-between na gusto ko lang kapag konti lang yung ilalagay ko, ito na yung ginagamit ko. And best of all, I really learned how to put on sunscreen on a daily basis. Yeah. Dati, mahilig akong mag-tan. Gustong-gusto ko kapag super bronzed yung aking skin tone. But I realized we can't do that a lot. You know, we really need sun protection. And I'm just so glad that there are a lot of products now that has sun protection and at minimum SPF 50. So, let me move on now to the raves of this makeup look. Number one are these two products. Okay, una, it's the Nature Republic Sunstick in SPF 50 Powdery Fresh. Guys, if you were ever to get this product, make sure it's the fresh, hindi pala powdery fresh powdery formulation because this will mattify your skin. If you're the type who's oily, tapos ayaw mo ng sobrang moisture sa skin like ako, gusto ko ng enough moisture but not too drying para matte yung skin ko. Gusto ko hindi humuhulas yung makeup eh. Mas gusto ko yon kesa sa super dewy look. Ito yung kunin ninyo. Meron pang isa eh. I think it's aloe vera yung formulation. I'm not sure. But this really makes your skin a bit mattified. So, I really, really love this. And it's so easy to wear. As my friend have put it, it's not messy whenever you apply it. It doesn't go to your hands. It goes straight to your face. And ganda ng finish talaga nito. Hindi ko kailangan ng primer paggamit ko to. Ang sarap-sarap niya sa skin. Hindi huhulas and it will last you a long time. That's why I love this product so much. This Fit Me Concealer goes so well with this SPF 50 Sunstick. Subok na to guys. Wala na yata akong ibang concealer na sinubukan. I've tried the Focalwear one, but this is, to me, the best concealer. The Fit Me Concealer. The Fit Me line is always good. Kaya, that's the second rave for today. The Fit Me, the Maybelline Fit Me powder is always a great idea. Because, wow, flawless talaga pagkatapos after nito. If it's not super hot, the weather is just cool, you know, it's sunny, but it's still cool, you can do away with just these. But if you want a more matted look, apply a little bit of the Fit Me powder. They all go together, which I love so much. And of course, second rave, it's the Toast of New York, the Pillow Pop by Ever Bilena Liquid Blush. Guys, tinan mo, ito yung kagandahan niya, oh. Ang ganda ng aking blush, ang ganda ng aking eyelids. It's so nice and natural looking. Yun ang gusto ko with this Pillow Pop Liquid Blush because it's actually a multi-use but I don't use it on the lips kasi nga medyo drying for me. But I just love it. I already have 2 of them. Can I just say, these are the best liquid blushes that I have ever tried right this very moment. Talagang these are the best ones. I love them so much. They can easily blend well in your skin. Ang ganda ng application. Kahit marami kang malagay, hindi ka mamomroblema sa mga blush na to kasi it will be just easy to blend. It look, oh. It's a bit matte, but it creates like a nice glow on your face. I don't know why. Parang may powder na yan pero look, the light is giving some glow. Even if it's a bit matte, diba? Kaya kudos to these blushes because Ever Bilena, ang galing. Ito talaga masasabi ko, ang ganda nila. And last but not the least, these 2 combination. The Beauty Glazed Lip Liner and the Revlon Super Lustrous Cream Lipsticks. Saan ka pa? What I love about this Beauty Glazed is that when you overline it on your lips, it's flat. And there's color. It's not like streaking. Hindi rin siya nagkakalat, which I love in these new gel formulations. It stays on the line. Wherever you put it, it really stays there. It's not moving. And then when you add the cream lipstick, it just adds that nice, comfy feel on your lips. Of course, I added a bit of shine. This is really optional. Ako lang kasi I love it when my lips are really moisturized. Kaya naglalagay ako ng a third step. But if, let's say, I just want it na instead of balm, I'll just use this before the lipstick. So, yeah. Hello 2024. We started this year with a really good video, I believe so. And it's just perfect that the lighting is also perfect this morning. Kaya, yes, it's a good start. And so that is it for today's video. I sure hope that you enjoyed this very first video I made for 2024. And I sure hope that you will accompany me because there are so many topics, so many makeup looks that I would like to share with you this year. And so, I hope to see you again on the next. Have a great day. Goodbye.